about you?
Doing good. You know, I got, a good 4 hours left on my clock, so I'm just counting down the hours.
How many elevator rides is there?
Good question. My record is 196 on a 15-hour shift. Today's only 11, so I didn't bother to keep count. But I'm pretty sure it's around 110 or so.
See if we can see our car getting
But anyway, as we get up there, you'll be able to see all the good stuff downtown Seattle. And they have all the skyscrapers. I got about 6 or 7 of those, including the 1201 Tower. You have the Columbia City Tower over there that has the sky view as well. We're not the only one that offers sky services, but we're the one that are iconic because we've been here for a while. All right. Yeah, the monorail is that little train right over there. It's built for the World's Fair. It's been around.
Rooftop on those apartments.
It lands in the lake.
Vamos a ver.
That lake. I don't know. That is Lake Union over there. So that's the same lake that Tom Hanks built his boathouse in for the Sleepless in Seattle. It's still there today. Yeah, more. He's landing in the Yeah, because it's a national seaport. Right, and we've been the little one. All right, and you're here. Welcome to Top.
Thank you.
Go outside.
Chato, acá vengan. Mira.
There's Bellevue out there. I'm gonna go outside in a bit.